Okay, so now that we've entered all of our elevation photos and captions, we will move on to the findings. Findings get a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be all good. It says click here to review findings for a project. It's actually to review findings or when you're initially adding them. No findings are on file yet. Do you wish to add a finding now? We're going to say OK. And it will automatically open up picking a finding to add to the project. So this is where our field sheets will come in handy again. Everybody has a different way of doing this. I personally go through all of the findings first and then I add my photos later. But you'll figure out your own system. So the first thing we're going to do is choose the type of inspection we're doing. Sometimes inspections have more than one type of cladding that you're inspecting, so you can move back and forth between the findings. We prefer and suggest that you do all of your stone findings at once. If there's EIFs on the home as well, do those secondary. Anyway, for this example, we're doing stone. So I'm going to click on the stone or SV radio button, and then I'm going to click on the finding on the category. So the first one that we have here on our field sheets are the windows. I'm going to scroll down. You may have to use this. Click on windows, and then we have a drop down of only the choices for SV except for the MW, which is moisture warranty. So here we're saying not adequate, there's no sealant joints. So I'm going to scroll down until I find what I want to add. So SV improper, no caulk. And then again, just like with the photos, I'm going to click on my left arrow button to insert the text. And then later I'm going to come back and fill in my photos. Again, this is just the way that I do it. So I'm going to now add a finding. And we're back here. This is already filled in for SV. And I'm going to come back to my field sheets, and the next item that is good or not good are the door frames. Come over here, click on the doors. It's improper. Left arrow key, it inserts. Next finding. Attachments and penetrations. Again, attachments and penetrations. SV improper. And click on the left arrow button. So I'm just going to continue this process, until I've gone through everything in the field sheets. And I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'm just going to finish that and then come back.